Hey guys, we're sitting here with Bill Siementel, Southern California big bait master, the undisputed king of so much development in a lot of these baits over the years. Everybody knows Bill. He's won a lot of big tournaments, and he just won something here at the ICAST. We're sitting here at the 2014 ICAST in Orlando, and this is probably the epitome of all bait design, and what he's accomplished here is pretty amazing. Bill, congratulations, man.
Man, I appreciate it, Mike.
It's amazing. I've known you for a long time. This is big.
Long time. I've done a lot of big baits. I've helped a lot of people, and this was a pet project of mine for many years, and finally Spro said a couple years ago, do it. And I told them what I was going to do, and they said, oh, I don't think you can pull it off, and I was ended up pulling it off. So yeah, it's pretty cool bait. Basically, as most people seen on the videos that I've been sending out stuff, we have a 10-inch two-piece rat bait. The cool thing about it is most people know that we all started out, and there's a lot of garage guys out there that's still doing it, and man, their baits are worth the money. Yeah. The problem is with Spro is it's not a problem, is we're trying to get baits out there for the consumer.
Right.
And a lot of guys can't afford $60 to $300. But the guys that are going to buy the wood custom baits, they're worth it. Because I mean, I know how much it takes to put a bait together like that. Originally made one out of wood, carved it, it worked great, been doing it for years. To get the price point down, we went to plastic. The bait didn't work as well, but they're consistently mold. I spent a couple weeks, I turned around, I filled it with foam, high density foam. I did a two-part composite. Ended up getting the same action.
It's not a hollow body.
No, it is a solid body that has the same specific gravity as certain woods out there. The right woods that has the deep, throaty thump sound. It has a one-knock bearing, but it's covered with foam, so it sounds just like a one-knock wood. It has a square bill design that gargles like a jitterbug. Everything's it's mellow. It's not overpowering, but it's enough to really attract the attention of fish. The durability, the flotation, the square bill, I thought I knocked it out of the park until I started tweaking the size of the bill and the angles. And the tail, which is a new tail design, which is a 8-sectioned ABS articulating tail with 80-pound braid through it. Okay.
So, a problem that you always had was you replace tails every third fish or every second fish.
You did, and there's the hard part is most of the tails, if we start there, most of the tails are either glued in, or they have a screw lock in.
Right.
If they're glued in and they break out, you need a drill bit to clean it out and try to glue it in as you're going. I love that hat, man. This is cool.
Well, I want to say something. That the prototype for these baits right here was this hat.
That's it. No, it took me 2 hours to build that hat.
You know what? The design is flawless. It really is. We're going to auction it off later, I think. Something with Billy. This is a fun deal. But this is a big deal.
This is a big deal.
The award is amazing.
Yeah, it is. Not for just me, but for Spro.
But I know how hard. I've been in this industry for 26 years. I know how hard it is. The political aspect of some of this stuff
is unbelievable.
And to win this at this company, I don't know if it's ever been done before.
Well, Dean won it with the frog years ago.
Bronze-eye frog, that's right.
But with this style of bait, this is a big one. Now the cool thing, we'll get back to the tail. Talking about plastic worms, right?
Right.
Well, old school toothpick design from the wood plugs they made 35 years ago. You pull the toothpick out, the tail comes out.
Holy!
Now the cool thing is you can put any plastic. You want a robo-worm in there? You want a different color tail? You put a robo-worm in there. Any 6-inch worm.
So you get to customize it a little bit for your own.
Absolutely. If you want to put another tail in it, that's how easy to replace. So this is all tournament proven techniques that I put together so I can go out there catch fish. And if you do have a tail break off, you can replace it really easy.
That's really rare with 80-pound braid.
Right. Now here's the other thing, and I'm going to give you guys one of the tricks here at ABA and what you guys bring to the table, is if you ever do have a custom wood plug, I'm going to give you the deal. You take your plastic worm, if it's a robo worm or any other worm you want, take a piece of 80-pound monofilament, a 2-inch section, you shove it in the plastic worm, and what it does, it straightens that tail out, so now the hook won't foul hook it. And you still work. So I mean, those are tricks that nobody. I've done it for 20 years.
I get that.
I've never told anybody about it, but you're going to get it here at ABA because of you, Mike. But so you can use plastic or hard, but this tail is absolutely cutting edge. Also with the square bill design, not only does it wake, if you've seen the videos, it walks the dog and does 180-degree turns on itself.
What I think is so amazing, and I'm not just sitting here throwing BS, is this is a bait that I've seen you catch fish during the day. Everybody thinks rats, nighttime, hopping fences, which I do, I like it, but you can fish this bait during the day in bright sunlight and whack them.
And you know that the key is, and I've always preached this, and you've seen the book and the DVDs, I'm all about techniques. There's a billion tools out there. There's lures everywhere. There's a handful of good techniques. One really great technique is waking. You get a good bait that wakes, you're going to catch fish. You get a good bait that walks the dog, you're going to catch fish. You put a spook on there and you walk it, you're going to catch fish around the world. What I did is I built both of them in one bait. This thing will walk the dog better than a spook because a spook in flat comb water works great. You get in it 6 inches to a foot chop, it blows out.
Right.
This one digs in so you can still work this bait and chop.
And it doesn't move very far. You can keep it in the same thing and do 360s with it.
And the other thing is the front hook doesn't come around and foul hook the line because it's protected by the bill. So now you're not going to have foul hooks as much with the line wrapping around the front hook when you walk it.
Right.
Also, I increased the front hook by double split ringing. Rat baits generally have a bad hook ratio.
That's standard?
Standard double split ring.
Oh man, that's awesome.
So what happened is I measured the front hooks so they hit right on the base of the bill. So when you're swimming this bait up and over brush, it's very weedless. But when a fish hits it, that hook drops down and there's a higher hookup percentage because this is how much bite you have on this bait, which you don't have that much open hook on a lot of rat baits. And if you add that many split rings, the problem is the hooks are going to marry. And these hooks don't marry on these baits. So I measured them perfectly so we have it cutting edge on both sides. And with the new tail design, the hook doesn't come around and grab the tail. So I mean every angle of this,
aspect, every moving part has been totally thought through.
Yeah. And like I said,
that's apparent with the award because that is gigantic. I still can't get over that.
I'm very impressed. And you know what? Like I said, Spro's bringing out the pros that what they're doing is they're giving us the option to go out there and make a bait. Say, hey, we got an idea. You guys do it. We'll build it. We'll back you. And there's no time frame. This thing, I've been working on baits for 20 years. More than that.
Yeah.
I've had rat baits for 20 years. They've seen this last couple years ago. They're like, and then I showed them what they're doing. They're going, okay, this is cutting it. Spro's letting us take our time to build the right bait with the right components, with the best quality of components. I mean, you can't go wrong with Gamakatsu hooks. You got Spro Power split rings for 90 pounds. You've got the best product out there, the best paint jobs, the best ideas, and they're letting you finish it until it comes to market. And when it comes to market, they're making it. They're doing everything they can to put it at a reasonable price. Right now, they're looking at a $29 retail price, and the amount of money and time that's in this bait, this is a $300 custom bait for $29.
Well, if you only release 20 or 30 or 50 of them, we can buy them online next week for $400.
We can buy that hat for $200. I've already been offered $200 for that hat.
This is unbelievable.
But this is great stuff, and like I said, you guys are doing a phenomenal job at ABA.
Appreciate it.
And you're coming back around, and you're really helping a lot of guys. And you know, I gotta say this for the industry. I've been fortunate enough to do a lot of stuff for a lot of companies for a long time. Got in the Hall of Fame in 2009.
That was a big deal.
And everybody that I've worked with, and this is, you know, the Sutherlands and Plotnick and you and in every other organization and every sponsor out there, it's us as a team to keep the sport alive.
Absolutely.
And guys like me do not get this kind of awards and do this stuff if I don't have the support backing. I didn't go in there and say, hey, I want the best of show. You guys did. I didn't vote for this. It was the writers and the buyers that went in and voted for it. And that's because in the big part, as an industry, we're a team, and we're trying to build it for the kids and our grandkids and grow the sport. So I appreciate you guys because you're the ones who make it happen.
Thanks.
I just fish.
Yeah.
You guys were the ones doing most of the work.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate that. Absolutely. I just need to close with this.
He doesn't get any of the baits.
Most people out there listening to this don't understand the value and what this trophy means. What this is probably one of your best no matter how much money, how many boats, this is probably one of the biggest accomplishments for you. And to be your buddy and to know you this long, it's a big deal.
He just wants a big old kiss.
No, I appreciate it because I know what that means, and I'm really proud of you, and proud to be your friend.
My dad would be kicking right now, laughing upstairs because
that's awesome.
He was showing me how to build wood plugs when I was a teenager. Out of pool cues, and we were selling. My dad, they called them bucket of lures. And he was selling lures up to $150 to $300 to guys like Butch Brown, I mean, infamous big bass guys. And it wasn't for him and the industry and everybody helping me and all the companies I've been through for the years, everybody. This is just a combination of all the stuff, and you don't get this stuff without time. You know, and the backing. And like I said, you guys have really been there for me.
So really quick, before we cut out, tell me the names of the colors.
Well, we got, everybody's gonna love, and there's a couple things, everybody loves the colors.
This one is sick, stupid, ridiculous, unbelievable. I'm gonna crush fish at Havas on that.
No, you're gonna crush fish on that, but I'm gonna get to that in a second.
All right.
We have a brown, we have a
I
gray,
thought we were cutting, but this is too much fun.
we have a black, and we have a white. The interesting thing on the white is on full detail. I even have threads on my threadfin shad. This is what happened as I was trying to cut down the price point, is I have preset dimples in all the cheek plates of the rats, 5 on each side, with an 024 diameter, which is 40-pound test. I'm going to put a video up on the bbz.com that's going to show you how to do a DIY. If you want to add whiskers with a hot glue gun, you can add whiskers, and it doesn't cost you any money if you want the detail. But I did this so the price point's cut down. I don't want a $35, $45, $50 bait. I want the inexpensive as possible. Those 4 colors are money. Then we get to the Morning Dawn. Everybody knows a Robo Worm, Morning Dawn, plastic worm is money. And what I wanted to do is make sure that people can not only catch largemouth and smallmouth. That's my fish alarm. It's fishing time. Largemouth, smallmouth.
The time's right.
Spotted bass, but I'm targeting muskie, pike, snakehead, wolffish, lake trout. This bait, this color is a hot color, and if I throw this for 200 hours at Cast Stake and Pyramid, and you saw all the fish I caught on it in the middle of the day, the proof's in the pudding, and they're 1-pound fish up to 7 and 8 pounders. There's, I don't know what else to tell you. So this color is my favorite color because I know most of you guys out there, you guys aren't going to throw it because it's not about the color, it's about confidence. The bait catches fish. The color is your choice.
Okay, so which one am I leaving with here? All right, I don't think that's going to happen now.
He's not leaving with anything because all of these are going to Great Bear Lake next week to do lake trout fishing and pike fishing.
So when are these going to be available for the public?
They're shooting at November. They're retooling the packaging right now because we want to add another tail in there for the guys.
So you get 2 tails.
We get 2 tails. They got to do some stuff like on the packaging saying best of show. So you got to redo the best of show. You know, you got to,
ICAST best of show.
Best of show.
Dude, that's amazing.
And we're gonna work on the price point. Like I said, they're still building it, so the price point's close. But we're gonna do everything we can to get this bait out into every fisherman's hand.
Well, it's exciting stuff, and thank you again for hosting us and having us and being a pro.
Dude,
I appreciate it. And we'll see you next week here on the American Bass TV. Thank you.